Step 1. Hold up! Before you watch, what I noticed that 80% of you who are watching are not subscribed. And I was wondering, well, why? So if you like my work and want to support the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Peace. Step 1. Example.
Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby.
Let me hear you say,
Please.
Step 2. Example. Step 3. Example. The program I'm using is Sony Vegas Pro 15. I will be making a tutorial on how to use it, so you can stick around for that. Until then, stay epic.